What's up everyone? Today we're gonna learn how to plug a Bitaxe miner to bet on the chance of ever winning a block in a lifetime. So a block is currently at about, the block reward is about 3.125. If you win one block with this miner, all the Bitcoin goes to your wallet. And a lot of people asking how to connect it, how to use that, how hard it is. I'm gonna make it super simple. It's just like a few clicks, like maximum 4 to 5 clicks to connect this to your home internet and start mining. All right, everybody. So this is my IP address for the miner over here. So I put in the IP address, and right away, so this shows me my hash rate and everything. So now, guys, we're gonna go connect our Bitaxe to the internet. So I'm gonna click on my Wi-Fi. You're gonna be looking for Bitaxe. Okay, now the Bitaxe come up. So I have we see the Bitaxe. So as soon as you plug the Bitaxe, you will see coming up on your Wi-Fi. Right? You just click on your Wi-Fi. You will see the Bitaxe come up, and I connect it. So I'm gonna try to connect it to my internet. Okay? The name of your internet at home, and you're gonna put in the password, and you're gonna you can leave it at Stratum URL. That's the mining pool you can be connected to. You can leave it on this for now, and then you can leave it on the same port. And then now you're gonna check for Stratum user. So the Stratum user is basically that's the Bitcoin address. So if you mine a block, that's where the money is going to. So that's where the Bitcoin gonna go. So that's the Bitcoin address, and then you're gonna get, that's the password. I would leave this the same as is, right? So, and what is this? This is the frequency. The frequency, I would leave it on this, like 550, something like that. It's been running on it for a while now. The voltage, I would leave it, just below, just above the last 1250, right? Just 1250 is okay. And then you can check in all this, and then you can click on save. And once you save, right, and then all these things are not really like necessary. You can check for update, but that's not necessary right now. So now once you done all this configuration, you want to go back to click on restart, right? So when you click on restart, that means all your configuration gonna be saved. So we're gonna restart, and then it's gonna restart it, and then now once everything restarted, you can click on that dashboard. You will see the hash rate, right? Hash rate, just click in, right? Checking, that's about 1 gigahash. That 1000 gigahash, 1200 gigahash. So that's about 1 exahash. No, sorry, 1 terahash. Sorry, 1 terahash. So that's about 1 terahash, just like I said for in the beginning of this video. And you're gonna see your mining share, your efficiency. You're gonna see the best difficulty, and then you're gonna see the chart. I was saying about the hash rate, how it goes, right? 1 terahash, somewhere like that. So again, that's about S9 miner is about 14 times stronger than this, I believe. Yeah, S9 miner is about 14 times stronger than this Bitaxe. So yes, and those are all the configuration that you can check in. Interesting numbers, and you're gonna see your address. And again, make sure you have the Bitcoin address from your wallet that you control. So otherwise, the Bitcoin will be sent to somebody else who didn't mine the block. So you don't want that to happen to you. So in case you mine the block, you wanna get that reward straight directly to you. And this you can decide to mine to get paid every day or every once in a while, or you can just mine away, just hoping that you mine a block. So for me, I just connected to Solomining pool so that I can win a block. So that's it. Right? I'm not plugging it to get paid every day. So I'm just betting to win a block. That's what I'm doing. But you can configure it in your own way so that you can get satoshis every day. Right? So for the work you're doing. So this miner is about 14 times less powerful than an S9. So S9 is about 14 terahash. So 14 terahash for S9. So this is about that use the power of a light bulb. So it's like, imagine a light bulb stay on in your house, like let's say every day, right? So that's the equivalence of what this uses. So S9 uses 14 times more than that. But still very, very good. And the latest version of the miner, like I think it's S21, that's probably gonna use like somewhere at 200 200 times more than more power than this. So I mean, like, it's worth it. It's not that expensive, and those are, I think, 200 to 400 depending on where you get it. I bought this at the Azonte Bitcoin Beach at the Bitcoin hardware store. So it comes like this. Like right now it's plugged in. So this is a charger. Comes with that charger over here, and with the charger, and then the miner itself, the computer chip, the ASIC chip. So this is this, right? This comes with the fan. The fan is connected to it, and you see Bitaxe written on top, and that's it, right? Those the sinks, those coolers. I just have them myself. I just put them on top. You may not get them with it, but that doesn't matter. I just put it here, but it's not. I don't think it's really needed. And other than that, that's it, right? That's it. You just get this, and this tray I bought it myself on Amazon. I think it was about 12 to 14 bucks, even less now. I don't know. But this comes with this in the charger, and then you just put it in here, right? So there's a hole here for the charger, right? And then once you get it in, you plug it in right here. Once plugging in, see if I can get it all in one hand over here. Okay, now it's plugged in. Now you're gonna see all the parameters. You're gonna see the hash rate. You're gonna see the IP address. That's the most important thing here. So the IP address is what's gonna help you to connect to the miner, to connect the Bitaxe. Just copy the IP address, the same like whatever the IP address is, and then paste, and then copy that and type that in your type it in your browser, like your Google browser, whatever browser you're using. Make sure you don't leave in your IP make sure you don't leave your VPN on. So turn off the VPN and just type in the IP address for this Bitaxe. You're gonna see it on the screen. So the IP address, type it in, and then it will send you the miner. The miner, it's gonna redirect you to if the miner is connected or not. So I'm gonna show you on my connection on my screen. So once you send it there, and then it's gonna you can go on your Wi-Fi connection, and then you will see Bitaxe. As long as this is connected, you're gonna see Bitaxe. And once you see Bitaxe, and then you connect it to your internet, the way you do that, you go to the website, you put in your internet name, and you put in the password of your internet, and then that's it. Right? That's it. You connected. You just click on restart. That's it. That's all it is. That's all it has to do. And then if you wanna see what's all the other parameters, you can click on the IP address on your browser. You're gonna see all the activities going on. So it's just very simple. The only problem you can have is if you have your VPN on, and if you're not in the same network internet connection with this. So if your phone is not connected to the same internet with the Bitaxe, then you will not find it. But if you're on the same internet, you shouldn't have any problem. So I hope this was helpful. This was a video. This was long in the making. A long time ago, I've been thinking about doing a video like this for you guys. And please, if you like, just click on the comment. Just type in home miner, right? Bitaxe home miner. That would make me happy, and I will be doing much more videos on this in the future. So thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you again. Thank you.